Are you disturbed by your child using smartphones? If you want a game-changer solution, stay with this video. Not just children, even we adults get addicted to smartphones easily. Smartphones provide information at your fingertips, which is a great boon, actually. But it strains eyes, initiates headache, makes people unresponsive, ultimately unsociable, and might even lead you towards criminal activities in the long term. These are the very reasons why UNESCO has reported the announcement of a ban on smartphone use in schools in 114 countries around the globe. Smartphones are actually drawing away smartness from your kids and making them duller each moment. Okay, now is there any solution to this? That's what we are here for. An alternative to smartphones which makes your child smarter than he or she was born. Let me take you to 1981, when Dr. Roger Sperry won the Nobel Prize for his split brain theory, the theory that the brain has two hemispheres, and both hemispheres have separate roles. The left brain does the routine work, and the right brain does the creative work. Further, the right brain controls the left side of the body, and vice versa. Now, this confirms that a person should have both hemispheres sharp to be smart. With this, the race started. Researchers began to search for something that could activate and sharpen both hemispheres. Researchers found that the brain becomes active when doing arithmetic. That arithmetic is the best functional exercise for both hemispheres of the brain. With this, a new quest started. There was a need for a device which needs both hands to do arithmetic. Because if you do arithmetic using your right hand, you will develop only the left hemisphere. Your right brain will remain as it is. And if you do arithmetic using your left hand, you will develop only the right hemisphere. Ultimately, the solution was found with the first calculating device, none other than the abacus, a device that requires both hands to perform arithmetic. Now, the decision is in your hands. Of course, both right and left hand, whether to leave your child with the smartphones that draw their smartness or join the MPAS class and enhance their smartness. We expect a like for the video we prepared, a comment on how you felt about the video, and share the video with those suffering from smartphone usage. Thank you for your valuable time. So, when are you visiting your nearest MPAS? Our admission is open round the year. We care for children on an individual basis. We have 2 classrooms with 15 seats each. Classes operate on 2 shifts, 8 to 10 a.m. and 10 to 12 a.m.